All right, hi students. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to complete the Book Creator Part 3 assignment and submit it. Okay, so I'm going to use period 1 as an example. So go to your Schoology course page. The very last item you see on your Schoology course page should be Book Creator Part 3. It's going to be a blue folder. So go ahead, click on that. And inside this folder, you'll find everything you need for this assignment. So I have the instructions here. And then this right here is a submission. This is where you're going to submit your final book creator project. Okay, so let's talk about the instructions first. So we're going to click on this. All right, now let me read the instructions to you. So it says right here in highlighted, you have the option of completing this assignment on Book Creator or Google Slides. You will complete this digital book in stages. Today you will complete the final pages, pages 5 and 6 of the Book Creator project. Okay, so we have been completing this book in 3 different stages. Today's the final part. So some students have been having issues with Book Creator. It hasn't been working too well with them. It's been kind of laggy and not loading correctly. So if Book Creator is giving you issues, you are more than welcome to use Google Slides instead. Right here, the second part, if you want to use Book Creator but have not added yourself to my library, then use the link below and class code. So the link is right here. And here's the class code for period 1 or for whatever period you're in. This will be the class code. Okay, so let's go over the requirements really quick for your pages 5 and 6. So let me highlight the requirements right here. So for page 5, you need to include the name of your planet. You will get 5 points for doing this. All right, so right here, I have an example page of what your page 5 might look like. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, but again, it's just an example. So maybe you want to have the name of your planet at the top. Okay, you're going to answer how long is a day on your planet. If you answer that, you get 5 points. So right here, I have a little example. How long is one day on your planet? Maybe you'll write your answer here. Now, for example, here on Earth, right, one day is 24 hours. So you will have to Google how long is one day on your planet. Okay, so that's how long it takes Earth to do one complete rotation on its axis, which is 24 hours. All right. Oh, and then lastly, the last requirement, I want you to provide at least 2 pictures of your planets. If you do this, you get 10 points. So these little boxes down here, this maybe you'll have picture 1 here and then picture 2 here, okay? But again, your page doesn't have to look exactly like this. It's just an example. So if you complete all the requirements for page 5, you will get a total of 20 points, okay? So let's go over to page 6. I'll talk about the requirements for page 6. So page 6, here are the requirements. Again, I want the name of your planet somewhere on your page. You get 5 points for that. I want you to answer, how long does it take your planet to make one orbit around the sun? If you answer this, you get 5 points. So right here in this little box, I put how long does it take your planet to orbit around the sun? So this is where I'd put my answer. All right. And then lastly, provide 2 pictures of your planet. You get 10 points just for this. Again, I leave 2 little boxes. Maybe you can have picture 1 here, picture 2 here. If you complete page 6 correctly, you will get a total of 20 points as well. So together with page 5 and page 6, that's a total of 40 points. Okay. So this is what you have to do for page 5 and 6, and these will be the last pages of Book Creator. Okay. This will be the end of your book. So let's go back to our folder. We already talked about the instructions. So let me talk about really quick how you're going to submit your assignment. So right here, I created a discussion post. This is where I want you to submit your link for your book. So go ahead, click on this link right here. All right. So here are the instructions for this part. It says upload the link to your complete Book Creator or Google Slides book project assignment. Only upload your link once you are 100% done with your project. If you are using Google Slides, make sure to change the settings to allow me to have access. All right, so right here, I put in an example. All right, this is me, Miss Ovalle. I put my link to my Book Creator project. This allows the teacher to know, like, oh, Miss Ovalle submitted her book. She is done. I can now grade it. So if I were to copy and paste this link into a browser, all right, my book will pop up. So this is my Planet project, and I will grade it. But let me show you really quick, right? You probably don't know how to get this link. How do you get this link? So let me show you really quick. Okay, so you're gonna go to Book Creator. All right. Now you're gonna click on your book. So find your book. This is just period 4, for example. But let me go over to my book. All right, here's my book. Okay, you're gonna see these 3 options down here at the bottom, okay? I want you to click on this middle option. It kind of has like 3 little dots and they're connected with 2 lines. When I hover over this, it says sharing options. So this is the button I want you to click. So go ahead, click on that. All right. Then you're going to find a button that says publish online. I want you to click this, publish online. Once you do that, it's going to ask you, oh, what do you want your title to be? Okay. I want you to create your title, put my Planet project, and then in parentheses, put your first and last name. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you're going to press this blue button where it says publish book. Woohoo, congratulations, your book has been published. Okay, now I want you to click this blue button right here where it says copy, public, share link to clipboard. All right, I'm gonna click that. Once I do that, it's gonna tell me, oh, it's copied to your clipboard. So all I have to do is go back to Schoology. In this comment, you're gonna paste your link. Press post. And that is how I posted my previous link as well. Okay, and if you want, you could test your link just to make sure it works. You could copy, paste it. Let's see if my book pops up. And it does. Okay, so that means I successfully, right, copy and pasted my book. Okay, now if you are using Google Slides, let me show you how to do that as well. So I brought up here just a blank Google Slides. Okay, so let me show you how to share your link for Google Slides if you're using Google Slides. You're going to click this button right here that says share. All right, so right now it's on lock. You see how there's a lock button and it says it's private to only me. So you're gonna have to change those settings because if you share the link, I won't be able to view your project. So click on this button. All right, now it's asking you to pretty much give your presentation a name. So I'm just gonna put my Planet project. Okay, I'm gonna press save. All right, now in order to change the settings, you're gonna have to go right here where it says get link. Now see, it says restricted. Only people added can open this link. So I'm going to change it. Okay. I'm going to say anyone with the LAUSD email can open this. Okay. So these are your options restricted. We don't want restricted because I won't be able to see it. You can do anyone with the link, but we can make it more secure and we could choose LAUSD. So I'm going to choose that one. All right. Now over here, you'll also see you can make me a viewer. Now a viewer is only if I'm only allowed to see it. Okay, I can't edit or change anything on your project. So if that's what you want, you could choose me to be a viewer, or if you want me to edit your project, if you don't mind me moving things around, then you can make me an editor. I'm going to choose viewer just because, it's your project. I'm not going to be moving anything around. Okay. And then press copy link. All right. It says link is copied. Press done. Then you're going to go over to Schoology and press or post your link here. All right. And you'll press post. And there I am. Okay, so I have my 3 examples of my links. So that is how you complete the Book Creator Part 3 project. Once you upload your link, you're telling me that you are completely done with your assignment and you are ready to have me grade it, and I will grade it shortly after you submit it, okay? If you have any further questions after watching this video, feel free to reach out, message me right on Schoology, or you could ask me a question during class, or of course, come to my office hours, okay? Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.